Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to connect a Bluetooth device to your KOBO Elipsa 2E. So first we need to go over to the settings. Now let's go to the Bluetooth connection. And after that, we need to turn on Bluetooth. So let's turn it on. And now we need to enter the pairing mode for our device. So as you guys can see, I've got those headphones with me right here, so I'll just enter the pairing mode with them. Now as you guys can see, they're in pairing mode, and now we need to wait for them to show up on our KOBO. So it's still scanning, so it might take a while. So I'll see you guys once it scans. So after a while, it's been like 20, maybe 30 seconds. They're finally here, so we can just click on them. Now they're connecting, and as you guys can see, now it's a safe device. It's connecting to audio. So if I just take one out, it's connected as audio. So that's basically how that works. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.